I'm here at Stoke Mendeville Stadium where the heritage flame lighting ceremony of the Beijing Paralympic Winter Games will be held. As the world faces one of the most uncertain times in history, the ceremony may send a special message.
On Monday evening, the heritage flame was once again ignited in Stoke Mendeville, a small village in England considered the birthplace of the Paralympic Games.
This is a flame of courage, determination, inspiration, and equality that will burn bright and light up the winter days. It will bring us good health, joy, and vitality. For persons with disabilities from all corners of the world, it will ignite the confidence and courage inside them and light up the way ahead.
I feel so honoured and so proud. It's an absolute privilege to be here at Stoke Mendeville. The last time I was here was 40 years ago when I was 16 years old, where wheelchair sport opened my eyes here at Stoke Mendeville.
As the Beijing Paralympic Winter Games are going to be held from March the 4th to the 13th, the Chinese capital will once again become the center stage of the Paralympic movement after the 2008 Paralympics. The flame in Stoke Mendeville will virtually join 8 other flames ignited in 3 competition zones of the Beijing Games to become the official flame of the Beijing Winter Paralympics.
今天的火种采集仪式非常成功，现场非常热闹。我们能够深切地感受到英国残奥运动员对北京冬残奥会的热切期盼，能够感受到英国各界朋友对北京冬残奥会的热情支持。我们也一定相信，北京冬残奥会一定能够再一次的向全世界传出和平、友谊、团结、合作的强大声音，一定能够进一步促进中国人民和世界各国人民的相互了解和友谊。
Since 2014, it has become tradition to hold a heritage flame lighting ceremony in Stoke Mendeville for the Paralympic Games.